today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial. This hair tutorial, messy bun, because I did some videos and some Instagram pictures. I vlogged with some messy buns. People were asking me how I did it. Did I go get them done at the hairdresser? Because I suck at doing hair. And no, I actually did them myself. So you know they're easy. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and then you can watch a tutorial. We're a cult. Just kidding. You must do this or you can't watch. Anyway, I also took a poll on my Instagram and I asked if you wanted to see a tutorial, and about 70-ish% said yes. So the other 30, don't be watching. Bye. Here you guys go. So the night before, I did just simply braid my hair before bed. This way it can texture your hair without applying heat to it. If you have really thin hair, I would suggest this because it gives your hair, like I said, more texture. I don't know really what I'm trying to say, but it gives it more like oomph. I just very messily put my hair in 2 separate braids. It's really just for the texture. I keep saying texture, girl. That's all we're doing here. And in the morning you can take it out and then your messy buns will be much easier to work with if you do not have easily to work with hair. And now go to sleep and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning! I'm awakened. So just pop your braids out. Pop, lock, and drop it. There. Now! I literally just take my huge ass nail and just go straight down. Tie this away for now. We'll focus on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna use extensions. Ooh, who is she? I previously curled these. It's good to have dirty hair to do messy buns. It's just easier to work with. It's not an excuse for me to be dirty. It's just like facts. You don't have to use extensions. I just do it to make it a little bit more big because you like look, this is gonna be my bun. So I just take a chunk here and throw it away. And then you would put in your extensions like this, but you're wanting the hair to go up. So you would put them in the opposite way. Up. I don't need that many, maybe just like 2 like that. Ooh, this is a look. Are my extensions gonna show? You should just like put it up just to see, and yeah, my extensions are all gonna show right here. So, there we go. There. Very lightly, kind of just make it messy. We're not like backcombing to the point where your hair is gonna be like trash, but just give it some extra volume. Pull it up. Before you secure it or anything, you wanna take out your hair. That's gonna frame your face. So any messy pieces you want out, if you want any hair out, I feel like it just adds to the look. And now just like, make sure just the lumps and bumps are out. I'm gonna go ahead and twist. Do the twist! Twist, and I don't wanna twist all the way to the end because this part will make it nice and fluffy. So you just wrap, 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 look! Cute! Ooh, that looks good on the first go. Then I'm gonna take an elastic, put it over, twist it. Like you don't know how to put an elastic in. Like that. Okay. We're on. Now you could just, you know, go like this and go out and enjoy your day. But if you wanted a little bit more, and then you pull it like this to make it bigger. This is a cute little messy bun right here. I honestly, they don't come out looking like this all the time for me. Then we take some bobby pins or whatever you call them. Comment down below, what do you call these? Like what I just put, I call this like a hair elastic. Some people call it a hair tie, but I've heard them called baubles before. So comment down below what you call those and what you call bobby pins. These little sticky things I'm gonna put in my head. Okay, so now you wanna do the shape. So it's kind of leaning a bit so I can like pull it down. You see how it goes like, oh, I love it. Stick the bobby pin in there. But if you have like sticky fly ups, stick a bobby pin in there. Also, you could pull like here and here to make your look a little bit more messy if you wanted. This side was done by PiinkSparkles. Let's do the other side as like a beauty guru. Doesn't look like the other one. See what I mean? This one was just so perfect. Okay, we'll try to make it, and if not, we can like redo it. Oh, no. Oh, it's It's getting there. Oh, no, it's falling. I look like Lila, Princess Layla. Lila, what the? Kiki, do you love me? No, I don't, because your messy bones don't match. Nah! Ah! Just keep trying. Just keep swimming, okay? Okay, cute. Look at that. Guys, I think we got it. I mean, they're a little, like this one's like a little bit uneven, but oh well. If I can do it, you can do it too. Tweet me your pictures if you guys do that, or tag me on Instagram, whatever you have, whatever you follow me on. I mean, you should follow me on both, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye! Bye!